May I invite the 27th inaugural lecturer for today to take forward for this citation. Professor Ifeanyichukwu Romanus Iroha, BSc PhD, MBH, MSN, MECCMID, MNSN, and Dean, School of Postgraduate Studies, Ebonyi State University. Your Excellency, the inaugural lecturer today is, by all standards, an outstanding scholar and accuser. The totality of his life oozes with excellence, remarkable achievements, service to humanity, and profound wit and wisdom. Above all, before us, it is a reservoir of incredible exposure, experience, intelligence in pharmaceutical microbiology, especially in the area of antimicrobial resistance and infectious diseases. He holds outstanding records of being the first and presently the only professor of pharmaceutical microbiology and the second professor to deliver an inaugural lecture in the Faculty of Science of this university. He serves in the Department of Applied Microbiology Faculty of Science at the Ebonyi State University. Your Excellency, the history of applied microbiology in Ebsu cannot be completely written and published without assigning a place of veneration, special veneration, to these precocious, erudite, and great scholars. Professor Ifeanyichukwu Romanus Iroha was born in Nsukka into the great Iroha family of Ndi Chukwu Okpo in Obinagu, Ishiagu, Ivo local government area of the Ebonyi. Here is a man who voluntarily and courageously went into the den of lions and not only cohabited but also made friends with rapacious lions and audacious lioness. Throughout his baccalaureate, master's and doctorate degree experiences, he attended St. Teresa College in Nsukka and proceeded to the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, where he obtained his Bachelor of Science in Microbiology in 1998. After completing his 1-year postgraduate his one-year National Youth Service Corps. He enrolled for his postgraduate studies in the Department of Pharmaceutical Microbiology at the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, where he obtained his Master of Science degree in 2003. In September 2004, Professor Iroha joined the Department of Applied Microbiology at Ebonyi State University as an assistant lecturer. Subsequently, he embarked on his PhD in pharmaceutical microbiology at the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, graduating with a PhD in 2007, and thereafter transmogrified into not just a lion, but a king lion. Like the legendary Julius Caesar would put it, Veni, Vidi, Vici. He went, he saw, he conquered. In 2009, he was awarded the prestigious Alexandra Humboldt Stiftung Foundation postdoctoral fellowship in Germany. He stayed and successfully conducted his postdoctoral research in 28 months at the Royal University Bochum University, Germany, under the supervision of Professor Soren Gadamer as his university host. His research focused on extended spectrum beta-lactamases, where they reported for the very first time, and I have it here underlined, the co-expression of blood CTX M15 genes and AFC IBCR gene in Escherichia coli from outpatient samples in Nigeria. Professor Iroha has since won numerous national and international grants and has authored over 180 scientific publications in different national and international journals. While preparing this citation, although I had a list of this publication, I wanted a confirmation. So I hit the internet, and lo and behold, I want to say it literally, there was a shaking of the internet. Some of these research grants awards include in 2009 Alexander von Humboldt Early George Foster Fellowship for Experienced Researchers, Germany. 2012 Tech Fund Institutional Based Research IDR Grant, Nigeria. 2015 Travel Grant from Tertiary Education Fund, Trust Fund, Tech Fund, to ECC MID Congress in Denmark. And this is unusual, absolutely unusual, for Tech Fund to grant in 1 year 2 awards to the same research. And in 2015, same year, Tech Fund granted him institutional based research idea in Nigeria. In 2021, Pfizer granted him an award on antimicrobial resistance at the Institute of Merit in France. And in this year, 2024, to show the level of his commitment and courage, He has also the National Institute of Health and I had camera grant on antimicrobial resistance AMR in USA. During his research tenure in Germany, Prof. Iroha presented scientific conference papers in countries such as Spain, Austria, Denmark, Italy, and the United States of America, fostering collaborations that have continued to date. In recognition of his exploits, he was inducted as a fellow of the Nigerian Young Academy of Science in the year 2012. Professor Ifeanyichukwu Romanus Iroha is a member of several professional bodies and learned societies in his discipline. I will not permit us to mention all, but I'll just give you a few. One is the fellow Alexandra von Humboldt Reform Foundation, Germany FABN. Member, American Society of Microbiology, NASM. Member, European Committee of Clinical Microbiology and Infectious Diseases, NACCMID. Member, Nigerian Society of Microbiology. Professor Iroha served as head of the Department of Applied Microbiology at Ebonyi State University from 2008 to 2009 and from 2012 to 2021, implementing very remarkable and notable reforms that elevated applied microbiology to an enviable position as one of the best departments in Ebsu today. Under his leadership, applied microbiology achieved full accreditation from the National Universities Commission in 2018. He also developed a robust postgraduate program in the applied microbiology department, which saw the highest number of postgraduate student enrollments for over 5 years with timely graduation rates. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Professor Ifeanyichukwu Romanus Iroha rose from the rank of assistant lecturer. That's the minimum you can begin with in the university. Along every stage, and by 2017, he achieved the ultimate and became full professor. And today, he serves as the dean of the postgraduate school. He has served on numerous university committees and is a member of the 6th Ebonyi State University Governing Council. Worked out assistant lecturer to professor to a member of the Governing Council of the university. That shows the caliber of person we have. His integrity, his commitment, his erudition in every area, and more so, his administrative prowess. Since 2018, he has been a member of the Nigerian University Commission Accreditation Team and the Resource Verification Team. He holds visiting professorship positions at 2 universities and served as an external examiner to 4 universities in Nigeria. In 2015, he was part of the Science and Technology Exhibition Committee that represented our university in Abuja. Professor Ifeanyichukwu Iroha was recently given an award titled Pillar of Light by St. Joseph Catholic Chaplaincy, CAPS campus. I decided to make mention of it because here is a man who is strong and vibrant in every ramification. Right in academics, he powers like a hero. And even in the job, he's very resilient and attracting the best of awards. What a man! What an institution! What a great idea! As a mentor, Professor Iroha has successfully supervised 50 PhD and 52 MSc students. A feat very rarely obtained, even by the best of lecturers in Nigeria. He is happily married to pharmacist Dr. Mrs. Chidinma Stasi Iroha Isiama. Can we request for breakfast standing up for breakfast? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. You can have this. And their marriage is blessed with 3 children. Ifeanyichukwu Iroha, Superbugs Iroha, and Citation Iroha. Your Excellency, sir, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I have the singular honor to present to us this morning this worthy son of Ebonyi State, a great achiever, an extraordinary genius, an international scholar par excellence, a research guru, a pathfinder, a trailblazer, a mentor, a writer, an author. Of Pharmaceutical Microbiology, Dean School of Postgraduate Studies, Ebonyi State University, Abakaliki, and the 27th Inaugural Lecturer of Ebonyi State University, Abakaliki, Professor Ifeanyichukwu Romanus Iroha, BSc, MSc, PhD, MDM, MSc, the stage is set, the die is cast, and it is time to run, and the king lion that you truly are, and do us a rare and special dance of the ivory tower.